Welcome to visit our factory. Lianyangong Huoyun Quartz Co., Ltd. is located in Dongge County, China, which is rich in quartz mineral resources. The total area of our factory is more than 1,000 square meters. The factory has 15 years of rich production experience, strong technical force, complete measurement and detection means, complete quality assurance system. Our factory has advanced equipment. The company has its own sales team, can provide customers with a full range of services, including inquiries, production, delivery, and after-sales problems. Our main products are quartz tube, quartz sealing tube, quartz rod, quartz glass sheet, quartz beaker, quartz condenser, quartz crucible, crystal powder, and so on. Quartz products are widely used at home and abroad in semiconductor, military, chemical, electronics, metallurgy, point light source and other industries, but also a large number of laboratories. Lianyangong Huoyun Quartz Company is one of the leading high-quality quartz glass manufacturers and suppliers in China, also has been a leading sales and manufacturing force in the semiconductor, chemical, and solar sectors. Our factory is close to many highways and ports. Transportation is very convenient, can provide customer with the most convenient logistics. Our factory relies on the rich production experience and the unceasing technical improvement, has obtained the sincere cooperation with the general customers. We sincerely welcome customers at home and abroad to come to consult and negotiate business.